Prodigy Finance is one of those lenders that offers a 100% online process, helping you secure an education loan for studying abroad without collateral or co-applicant. Today, we'll take a step further and explore Prodigy Finance's disbursement process. Hi, my name is Jainesh and I'm one of the founding members here at GyanDhan. Today, we are going to help you understand every aspect of Prodigy's disbursement process, including the disbursement of tuition fees, living expenses, and more. Let's get started. Let's take a moment to quickly go through some aspects of Prodigy Finance's education loan to better understand its disbursement process. First, Prodigy is an international lender, meaning they disburse funds in foreign currency of the country that you plan to study in. Prodigy claims they can fund 100% of study costs, which is true in some cases. However, generally, they fund up to 70 to 80% of the cost. They maintain a dedicated list of universities and courses for which they provide loans. Therefore, you can only receive a loan if your chosen university and course are on this list. One more important thing for you to know is that loan sanction or approval is the confirmation from the lender that the loan request has been approved. However, this does not mean that the funds have been disbursed to the intended recipient, such as the university for tuition fees. Loan disbursement occurs when the approved funds are actually released and credited to the designated place. Now, let's look at the disbursement process of Prodigy Finance. It typically takes 5 to 7 days to receive loan sanction from Prodigy Finance once you submit all the documents online and once they have been verified. Technically, we can say that this is where your disbursement process broadly begins. Now, step 1, e-signing of the loan agreement. Once your documents are verified, Prodigy Finance will send you a loan agreement via email. Read this document carefully as it contains the terms and conditions of your loan. You must e-sign this agreement to proceed. E-signing is mandatory. Without it, the loan cannot be disbursed. This is a crucial step as it legally binds you to the terms set by Prodigy Finance. Step 2. Loan disbursement to the university. After you e-sign and submit the loan agreement, Prodigy Finance will arrange to disburse the loan amount directly to your university. They aim to schedule the disbursement in alignment with the university's tuition fee deadlines to ensure timely payment of your tuition fees. The tuition fee is disbursed to the university either semester-wise or annually as per their norms. Step 3. Handling living expenses. If your loan also covers living expenses, the total amount will be sent to the university. You will then need to contact the university's finance office to arrange the transfer of funds for living expenses into your foreign personal account. This step is important for managing your day-to-day finances while studying abroad. Prodigy also provides you with an option of requesting early disbursement. If you need the funds to be disbursed earlier than planned, you must contact Prodigy Finance directly to request this. After the disbursement, it typically takes 3 to 5 days for the funds to be reflected in the university's account. A student attending a university in the US can request to reschedule the date of disbursement. But if the student is attending a university outside of the US, the date of disbursement cannot be changed. Just like when you're applying for an education loan, there are a few documents you need to gather to start the disbursement process. You'll need to submit your KYC document, which helps verify your identity. Additionally, the university's fee schedule, such as the I-20 form for US universities, is crucial as it confirms your enrollment and eligibility to study in a foreign country. Prodigy will also require proof of your admission. If you have received any scholarships, make sure to provide proof of those as well. Gathering these documents in advance can help streamline the disbursement process. Now, I want to tell you some important things when you're planning to take an education loan disbursement from an international lender like Prodigy Finance. Firstly, there are several benefits in taking an education loan in foreign currency. First, it simplifies the payment process as the loan amount is disbursed directly in the currency of the country where you will be studying. This eliminates the need for frequent currency exchanges, reducing the transaction fees and exposure to fluctuating exchange rates, which can often lead to savings. Additionally, paying in the local currency ensures that your tuition and living expenses are covered without risk of underpayment due to currency value changes. Tax collected at source, also known as TCS, is also eliminated when taking an education loan in a foreign currency. Second, When you take a loan from Prodigy Finance, the interest is charged only on the disbursed amount, not the sanctioned amount. Additionally, Prodigy charges a 5% origination fee on such disbursement, which is adjusted with the loan amount. Considering this, you need to carefully plan your disbursements and have a discussion with Prodigy Finance's officials about it. Lastly, one important question some of you might be thinking about: how can GyanDhan help you in the Prodigy Finance disbursement process? If you process your Prodigy Finance loan application through GyanDhan, you will benefit from continuous virtual support. This means that if you ever feel stuck at any point, GyanDhan will be there to help guide you through. Additionally, should any issues arise during the process, GyanDhan's escalation process enables quick resolutions. They know exactly who to contact within the appropriate hierarchies to address and swiftly resolve your problems. Taking out an education loan is a significant decision that can impact your life, so it's crucial to connect with an expert when making this choice. At GyanDhan, we are here to be your trusted partner throughout your journey to study abroad. We assist students by comparing various loan options to find the best fit for their financial needs and education goals. To date, we have helped 25,000 students and disbursed loans totaling 8,000 crores. Our team is dedicated to guiding you through the loan comparison process, handling the loan application details, and securing the most advantageous terms for your situation. Wondering where to begin? It's simpler than you might think. Just click the link in the description to check your loan eligibility with a few quick questions and let our team handle the rest. And remember, all of this is completely free at no cost to you. That concludes our video for today. Thank you for watching. If this video was useful, please like it and subscribe for more updates. If you have any questions or need further information about education loans, leave a comment below and we'll respond promptly. Until next time, continue to make smart choices for your educational future.